Hi, first graders. Mr. Mortimer here again. Today in math, we are going to be talking about adding three whole numbers in word problems. So our specific I can statement says I can solve word problems by adding three whole numbers whose sum is less or equal to 20. So that means my answer is not going to be more than 20. So I'm going to be adding three whole numbers together and in a word problem. So if I look, it's going to be E12 in IXL, so I come down here to E12, and the cool thing about this is it's going to read it for me. I can click on this and I can listen. When I'm listening for what it's telling me, what I know, what I need to find out, and what the question is. So let's listen. So now that I know the question, I know that Brad bought lollipops. That's something that I know. I know that he bought one cherry lollipop. He bought four grape lollipops, and he bought three lemon lollipops. The last part is my question. How many total lollipops were in the bag? So if I want to find out how many altogether, I'm going to add. I'm adding them all together. So I like to write my number sentence, and I write it right there. 1 plus 4 plus 3. I start by looking, do I have a doubles fact? I don't have a doubles fact I can add, but I think I can make a doubles fact. I know that 1 plus 3 more equals 4. So I'm going to start by circling those two numbers. I'm going to add those two numbers together first. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And so now I have 4 plus 4. We know our doubles facts. 4 plus 4 is going to be equal to 8. So how many lollipops did Brad bring? He brought 8 lollipops. Okay, our next one, let's listen to it. So again, I asked myself, what do I know? I know that there are trees in the orchard, and I know that there are 6 oak trees. So I'm going to start with 6. I know that there is 1 maple tree, and there are 2 elm trees. Now, am I adding them together or am I subtracting the trees? Well, my question is going to tell me how many trees are in the orchard. So if I want to know how many trees are in there, I'm going to add them all up to figure it out. So again, I write my number sentence. I don't see a doubles. I can't make a doubles. I can't make a 10, so I can just start however I'd like. I'm going to start by adding 1 more on to 6. So if I take my 6 and add 1 more, I get 7. Then it becomes a little bit easier. Now I have 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 we know is equal to 9. So first graders, today, as you work, your job is to understand what the question is asking and then using those numbers to add together all three whole numbers. If you need to get paper and a pen or a whiteboard, if you have one, you need to do that. It can help you and you may use that. Again, it is E12 today for IXL. If you have questions, you can ask. Have a good day.